Hello, hello. So I have got my unboxing for campaign 10, and I'm so excited to show you what we ordered. So it's this campaign that we ordered from. And I say we because I am not only a online representative, but I do local orders. So this is a combination of what I've ordered and what my local customers have ordered. So you can see a little bit of what everybody is talking about ordering and what's, a bigger variety. So this is campaign 10. We're all about the scrubs and the bubble baths. They're still, I think my customers are still kind of looking at them and getting, some ideas, but definitely the scrubs are amazing. And I want you guys to all take advantage of these, the bubble baths and the scrubs. OMG, they smell so good. And yeah, so definitely, and it's a limited edition, so you don't want to miss out. So let's start. So, if you see something you want, you can definitely still have time to get it. We don't back order so much, but a lot of these products, if they're still in stock, will be available. Some of these are from the clearance section, I believe, and some are not. So we've got kind of a mix and match, and we've got some stuff coming. So I'm excited to have such a mixture for you. So let's start real quick with some jewelry. I know you guys love jewelry, right? So I had a customer order the his and hers. Um, they are let me read it, stainless steel, two-tone chain reaction band rings. So definitely can see the difference. So this is his. So you can see it's thicker, and this is hers. See if we can get you guys a good picture of that. They are beautiful. Let me tell you. So the inside is the stainless steel. So it definitely is going to take some wear. And so the gold mesh will show through with the silver on the inside. As you can see, it has a beautiful shine. And for his and hers, absolutely, absolutely beautiful. There's a good shot of it. So yeah, so these, they're going to love this set. So excited for them. Um, Jewelry wise, I got out of I did the shop and learn offer. It came with jewelry this time. I had eyed this when it was in the brochure, and it may still be in the clearance section if it didn't get sold out. So let's take a look. Look how beautiful this is. OMG. Let me see if I can get it for you there. It is so pretty. Do I have it twisted a little bit there at the bottom? Yeah, I have it. If it can get twisted, Margie can do it. The chains, the attachments, there we go. The rectangular attachments really work to keep it laying flat, which is beautiful. And then once you have that bottom one undone, which I still don't seem to have undone. What the heck? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I am holding, that's what I'm doing. So there you go. So if that's what happens, so if it does that to you, all you have to do is twist it because I had it going the wrong direction. So there, it is laying it beautifully. So look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, the stones are gorgeous. You're going to have an extension here to be able to do that. And then just being able to, oh my gosh, so pretty, so glittery. Yeah, this is going to be a showstopper for sure. So that was part of the shop and learn. They are actually putting in with the free offers. Um, the some jewelry. So I know the other parts of the shop and learn. I'll go ahead and share those. I haven't got to try this one yet. Is the Organist Scalp Strengthening Serum. So yeah, I am excited to try that. Have a little bit of thinning going on up here. Age sucks. So I'm gonna give it a try. So this is in the rosemary mint. Now, see, I did do the rosemary mint shampoo set, and I did love that. I did that at Christmas, remember? But I don't remember. I did not have the tonic, the strengthening hair tonic. So I'm excited to try this. I hope that it really does do well. And the other part of the shop and learn, I know for sure was the body wash in the Organist. Again, I used the hair products, so I didn't get to use the body wash. The one thing I love about the Rosemary Mint Organist is how refreshing it is. We are starting to warm up, and I'm telling you, it was 91 here today, so we're starting to feel that heat a little bit, and this is going to feel so refreshing when we shower. So coming out of the gym, the heat, this is going to be fantastic in the shower. It's just going to have that burst of energy and yeah, so excited to give that a shot. Um, some of the things that were ordered by my customers. Number one, Avon Power Serum. Everybody loves this serum. And I'll tell you again, just like I told you before, it works so well that I have to remind my customers that yes, you need to put on a moisturizer too. The serum feels good, but we need to use the serum to power up whatever moisturizer you're using. So this works well with any moisturizer. It's going to power it up and just give you a beautiful turnout. Oh, this was the other part of the shop and learn, and I can always use more of this. The vitamin C serum. OMG. I can't believe that this was in there. Yeah, it's the serum. So I'm gonna wait to open this till I get rid of till I use up what I have, and because I've been using it in the Beyond Glow, but I can switch back over to my regular vitamin C serum and get the glow and all of that going on for my summer looks. Deodorants this time, always, you always need the necessities. On duty 24. I love the on duty. This is what my family uses. The men like the sport. I get the original. But I have women that order the sport. It does not smell manly. It just has this like a sport smell. I don't know how to say it. And then I had one of my customers call in. He needed the Wild Country deodorant. So we've got those ordered in. And then, yeah, one of my guys called in too. He needed, even though I told him this next campaign is all about our uh, bonus sales and that it was going to be like $3 cheaper. He's like, I don't care. I want it now. He ordered 3 bottles of the moisture therapy lotion. I'm telling you, they call this the working man's hand in the hand cream, and then this is a great body lotion for men and women. So absolutely in the moisture therapy. And if you wait, I'll just give you a heads up. Next campaign starting on the 21st, these will be $3 cheaper. So, oh my gosh, we are going to need to be stocking up on all of our shower gels in the Skin So Soft lotion and moisture therapy in the bonus size, even our oils. So what else I have to show you is our next campaign is going, or two campaigns away. I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a show. Of course, I had to order bug guard wipes. You guys, the bugs are coming out. Let's get ahead of it. I love these because they have 8 in a packet and they are just fantastic. So you buy 8. If you have kids that you know you're sending off and you're not chaperoning the putting on because they can use a whole can of spray and it's just gone. But in these, they can open one wipe, use it, throw it away, and you don't have to worry about them. You know, I heard camp. Camp is a huge thing for little ones. You send a spray with them. If they're not being monitored, they can use it up in one day. But with these, they're using one wipe and then they are good. Um, and the other thing that we are happily having back in stock, here it is I know we went a year with our reformulation. Grab this while I'm in here. We had a year with our reformulation and we didn't have this in stock last year, but it's back. Yay, our lotion is back. So excited. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of bottles to have on hand here at the house. Because I know people are going to call and say, hey, I need it, and they're going to need it now. So got the sun and bug it's SPF 30, and this is more for like the pool. You still need to reapply just like any other sunscreen when you're getting in and out of the water. But this is going to be your suntan and bug guard while you're at the lake. We're here in Kansas, so we have just as many lake swimmers as we do pool swimmers. So you're going to need this. And even if you are at the pool, it might be a pool in the backyard, and them bugs, those critters are going to get you anyway. So, what we have this year, we usually have an offer of a free gift, especially with our first brochure of the season. And the last 2 years have been coolers or actually 3 years. We had two totes, and then last year was a 6 pack or a lunch cooler. This year, we got a straw mat. So it is all tied up. You can carry it with the handles, and it wraps up. You've got your uh, you could use that as a pocket there, and then just your little Avon. But so it's got a nice outdoor woodsy design. But then when you untie it, it's going to go into a full mat to go ahead and sit outside with the I mean, if you're going to a concert, going to the lake, going on a picnic, doing it whatever, let's just let's just untie this because you know what? We're gonna see it. And of course, oh, there you go. Let's just say that did not look like it was tied that difficult. So I don't remember how big it said it was in dimension, but okay, OMG. All right, so it is 3 wide. So definitely your full body can be on here. It's a straw material. It's straw. And oh yeah, it's plenty long. So yeah, you are going to be able to fit 2 people on here at least, or have a place to sit at that concert, at the park, wherever, you know, whatever your outdoor things are. And then you just roll it back up and you're able to take it with you in such a small bundle. So yeah, so super excited about the straw mat. So this is going to be if you buy 2 bug guard products. So exciting. So if you're needing a mat to be able just to keep in the car, and that way when you get and you know you get out and you're not even sure that hey, you just got invited the last minute to concert in the park or, whatever. Um, you have something in your car to just go ahead and sit down, and hopefully you have used that pocket and put some bug guard wipes in there so that you are completely ready for that outing, whether it is a surprise or planned. So that's what I have for you this campaign, and I hope that you saw something that you want. So like I said, you have until the 20th to shop the products that are this time. Local people, you can order your bug guard products from me and get your mat starting now. But for my online shoppers, it's going to be two campaigns out. It's going to be campaign 12. We're just going into campaign 11, so 3 weeks before you can get the bundles and you can get them online. But I promise you that they'll be there and you'll be able to get what you need. So super excited, and let me know if I can help. Talk to you soon.